Hi, Jody White here. So you've set up a basic funnel in ClickFunnels. You have an opt-in page where you want people to subscribe. Then you will send them to a thank you page where they can download an ebook or other content from you. Of course, once they subscribe, you want ClickFunnels to send their information into your list that's in GetResponse. Which brings us to the question, how do you pair GetResponse with ClickFunnels? Now, ClickFunnels does have an API that's made for exactly this reason. Unfortunately, people have had trouble with it. They've been reporting problems with the connection breaking. Now, luckily, this API integration is not the only way you can pair GetResponse with ClickFunnels. I suggest you try this alternate three-step method instead. It's almost as easy and very reliable once you have it set up. First, we're going to grab some HTML form code from GetResponse. Second, we're going to add our thank you page URL to it. That's so we can send people to the download page. And third, we're going to copy and paste this whole thing into ClickFunnels. And don't worry, it's very easy. I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, we need to head over to GetResponse. On the main screen, the first item in the Quick Actions menu to the far left is Create Form. So we're going to click this. On the next screen, we see several choices for Create Form. We are only interested in a plain HTML form, so let's select that one. This generates raw HTML without CSS or JavaScript, just what we need for ClickFunnels. So let's zoom in here for a closer look. You can see this bare bones form just has an email field and a subscribe function. For our case, we want to add a field for the subscriber name as well. So let's look over the form settings at the far right, see if we can find a way to do that. Now, of course, be sure you have the correct list selected. You can adjust that here. Next, check the box for name. Now, if we look back to the left, we see a name box appearing in the form preview. We need one more thing, the custom thank you page URL. We have to tell the form where to send our subscribers once they opt in. Otherwise, they will get sent to a default landing page at GetResponse instead of our thank you page that we designed. They won't be able to download the ebook that way. So to do this, we just copy the thank you page URL from inside ClickFunnels and paste it here. Now, I had already copied the URL before we came to GetResponse, so I can just paste it in now. So we're finished with GetResponse at this point, except for clicking the blue button to copy the code. Clicking the blue button to copy the code, and now, back in ClickFunnels, we need to enter the editor for our opt-in page and select Integrations under the Settings menu. This opens a new menu to the right. Notice it shows we are not connected. To fix this, we need to select the null HTML form as our integration. Under Action, choose Integrate Existing Form. Of course, we have an existing form. That's what we just created in GetResponse. So paste the code we copied from GetResponse into the window and click Save Web Form. Below this, we'll have to match up the name and email fields from our ClickFunnels page to the corresponding boxes we set up in the GetResponse HTML form. At this point, they both show as not synced. Just select the names by each one and it's done. And below this, ClickFunnels reminds us again we have to manually set the redirect URL in the form. That's the URL for the thank you page, and of course, we've already done that. If you forget this step, people can still subscribe, but they'll be sent to a default page in GetResponse instead of the thank you page we created in ClickFunnels. They'll never get to where they can download the book, and that's bad. And this is a good reason to test your funnel before you send any traffic to it. In our example case, you can see that once I enter my name and email address to subscribe, we do indeed proceed to the download page, so it all works. I hope that's been helpful. If you think it has, please give me a big thumbs up, and feel free to ask any questions or share any feedback in the comments below. Enjoy the rest of your day.